This is a tutorial on how to copy or download a Google Doc so that you can write on it and how to share that with your instructor. In English 090 in Unit 1 paragraph assignment, you are required to complete a planning document as you prepare to write your paragraph. So when you go through reading the instructions about the paragraph, you will find that there are two documents in Google Doc form for pre-writing. The brainstorming Google Doc is optional, but the planner is required. So you'll click on that link and you'll see the Google Doc. This version is not editable, and there is a button that says Request Edit Access, but please do not click that button. Instead, what you will do is either copy it or download it in a different format so that you can type on it. Either way, you will go up to File. If you want to make a copy, simply click Make a Copy. Google Docs will suggest a name for it, and of course you can adjust this if you wish. It will save it to your own Google Drive, and you simply say OK. With the copy of the document, you will now be able to write on this document. So you'll be able to fill in the required information for your planner. So you could put your title for your essay, your topic sentence, your first major detail with supporting details, second major detail, etc. Once you've filled out your planner, you will need to share that with your instructor. So you will go up to the Share button, and you're going to want to, you could email your instructor and send the link that way, but you do want to change the restrictions. So where it says Get Link, you want to click Change the Link. And you do want to have it, anyone at Delaware Tech can view it, but you do want to change this from viewer to editor or commentator. Either way would work. If you do the editor, then your instructor can change your form. If you do the commentator, then your instructor can simply make comments. Either way would work. And then either share it with your instructor's email, or you can copy the link and post that in the submission folder for your document. Okay, so that's copying it and keeping it in the Google Doc format. The other option you have is to go to File and click Download. And here you can choose to download it as a Microsoft Word doc or a rich text format. Don't do a PDF because you can't type on that. And most of those others are probably not going to work very well. But if you have Word, I would suggest downloading it as a Word doc. And then when you open that, you can enable editing. And now you have it as a Microsoft Word document, and you can write on it just as you were doing on the Google Doc and fill out all that information. You would then go up to File and save your file, save as, and save it in whichever folder or format you need to save it in. And then when it's time for you to submit your assignment, you would go down to the submission folder for the paragraph pre-writing. If it is a Word doc, you can add a file and look for it. If it's a Google Doc, then you can put your link right here in the text box, and that should work for your instructor to access it. Hopefully that will assist you as you're working on this assignment, and throughout the course you'll have similar kinds of pre-writing that you'll need to do, and you can use the same approach.